Hey everyone, right behind me you can see Lake Ontario because today we are here at Trillium Park in downtown Toronto, right on Ontario Place. So there is some beautiful skyline shots here, and today we are just going to see what this beautiful park has to offer. So let's go. Something cool about this whole area is you can see the amazing views there, and I don't know if you could see, but back there there's the CN Tower. But there's also all these areas where you could sit around, like here, and there's actually a fire pit here, which is cool. I don't know if anybody actually ever uses that, but you know, it's there. So something that a lot of people actually come to this park in the first place is for the William G. Davis Trail, and this is actually a 1.3 kilometer long waterfront trail where there are runners, bikers, walkers, and even police horses at times. We walked the trail first around 9 a.m. and it was actually pretty dead, but once we left around 11:30 it got really busy. So if you want to do it with as least people as possible, which will also be best for biking, or if you're trying to jog without having to stop too much, the morning is going to be your best bet. I have no clue what this is, but it does say climb at your own risk, so I assume they're rock climbs. Climbing at our own risk. But there's like these rocks up here, I don't know. Try not to get hit by a tree. Whoa. It's actually pretty cool. Whoa, look at the view from up here. Ready? Whoa. We're just sitting on the top of this. Whoa. You can see it says Ontario. Super nice. You can see there's like the marina over there, the Ontario Place Marina. But yeah, I'm really impressed by this. Right when you enter the park from the main entrance, you'll see this really cool modern open air pavilion type structure, and I don't think it has much other purpose than to just provide shade and a place for if it rains, but it's just a cool centerpiece to the park, and I think it looks pretty awesome. So there were a lot of people riding around the trail that either didn't have their own bikes or didn't want to bring them downtown with them. So what they just did was rented a Toronto bike share bike. And so these are around tons of different places around the city, and they're super efficient to get around because they're really affordable. It's only $3.25 for a single trip, which is up to 30 minutes. Or you could literally pay $7 for a 24-hour pass, which will get you unlimited 30-minute trips within a 24-hour period. So it's super reasonably priced, and they're a great way to get around if you don't want to lug your bike downtown. You can sort of see over here, there's Ontario Place. This is some volleyball nets, but this is not actually in the park. This is just outside in Ontario Place, but it's also open to the public. So this super cool restaurant right on the lakeshore is called Vista Eatery, and during COVID it is open most days 2 to 9 p.m. only, and they have this awesome patio which is actually closed right now, but you can take your food to go and sit on one of these awesome chairs which are all around. There are so many awesome places to just chill. You can just read a book, eat some food, and just look at the beautiful lakeshore. So now that's the main Ontario Place building. And we've pretty much reached the end of the park, even though we're now not really in Trillium Park, we're in Ontario Place. But we sort of reached the end here. There's a skate park and a basketball court over there. So you're probably going to drive in from over there and then you're going to come around. Google Maps is going to tell you to drive up there, but you can't actually drive up there, so you need to come around, park in here, pay for parking, and then walk across that bridge to go in. Just a heads up, if you're planning to park on site, it is going to be $6.50 per hour or $13 for 2 hours. You can bring your own checkers and play checkers and then look at all the boats, I guess. Fun. So all in all, it was a pretty cool first visit to Trillium Park in downtown Toronto, right on the waterfront, and it is awesome. We also went a little bit into Ontario Place, like just past where the city park line is, but you know, pretty cool. So all in all, there's lots of things to do here. You can ride a bike, walk with the family, there's things to climb and explore, run around, lots of different things to do, places to eat, places to see, places to just sit down and read a book. So it's just a super awesome park. It's pretty new. It's also really clean and new. There was a lot of security around. So I'd recommend it. It's a cool place to come if you looking for a day trip in Toronto. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I post all sorts of Toronto tourism videos. So I'll see you guys in the next one.